Hi, my name's Jackie, busy mom who works full-time and one of the contact center managers at Together Credit Union. Today I want to show you how to use one of my favorite services at the credit union, our video teller. Video tellers can be used for many of the same services as you would inside of a branch. And now you can do them from the comfort of your car. Let me show you how it's done.
Hi Jackie, what can I help you with today?
Hi Kaitlyn, can you help me with the deposit and withdrawal?
Of course. First, I'll just have you type in your account number using the secured PIN pad. And if you don't know your account number, you can always type in your social.
I have my account number.
Perfect. Thank you. What would you like to do first today?
If you could withdraw $50 from my checking account, please.
Okay, sounds great. And then I'll just have you hit that green submit button for me that's on the touch screen. That's for the withdrawal today. And do you have a preference on how you got your cash back today?
If I could get 2 20s and 10 1s, I'm taking the kids to the food trucks tonight.
Okay, perfect. And then that cash is sending out to you right now. Would you like a receipt with your updated balance?
Yes, please.
Okay, there is that receipt for you. Was there anything else I can help you with?
I need to deposit a check into my son's account.
Okay. Whenever that drawer opens, I'll just have you go ahead and insert that check. Thank you. And then can I have you verify the dollar amount on that screen?
Yep, it looks good.
Thank you. Would you like a receipt today?
Yes, please.
Perfect. There is that receipt.
Thanks, Kaitlyn.
Thank you. It's been my pleasure.
And there's a lot of other services that can be completed by video teller, right, Kaitlyn?
That's right. We're here to help with many different account needs, like loan payments, cashing checks, and transferring money between accounts. And we can help answer any questions you might have about our products and services, just like if you were to speak to a teller inside the branch.
And to use the video teller like a regular ATM, you just insert your card. And that's how easy it is to use our video teller. For more videos on how to get the most out of your Together Credit Union membership, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social. We'll see you next time.